First Lady Jill Biden will visit young patients and families at a children's hospital in Washington today. The First Lady has been helping to bring the Christmas spirit to the White House over the past few weeks, decorating the halls with Christmas trees and festive lights. Christina Ruffini is at the White House where she's seen it all go up, and she has the latest for us this morning.
Hi, how are you? So the First family is going to be celebrating here at the White House this week. That's because we hear the grandkids really reached out to Grandpa Biden and said, look, this is your first term as president. We really all want to celebrate at the White House. So the entire family is coming here. His son Hunter and daughter Ashley will be bringing their families. They're going to be coming here. Apparently, we're told the president really likes pasta, so there will be some sort of pasta dish traditionally served on Christmas. And then he will also do something that's a bit controversial in the Biden family, which is called flocking the tree. It involves throwing some sort of something that looks like artificial snow all over the tree to give it a festive snowy feel. We're told that in the past this has really irritated First Lady Jill Biden, who has to then clean it up. But it's an Irish tradition. The president loves doing it, so that should also be expected. Then the next morning, as the families all depart to, the other sides of their family, Dr. Jill traditionally makes or has made some sort of bacon egg sandwich and packs them up in little gift packages and sends them on their way to go, through the river and through the woods to whatever other grandmother's house they have to go visit. Now, the vice president is in California, a visiting family out there. And that's what we got so far. It's relatively quiet here today. It's kind of bare bones staff as everybody's hunkering down, and the First family is probably somewhere behind me up there celebrating.
Got it. So the vice president and the second gentleman have their own plans for the holiday. We know that Vice President Harris will be tested again for COVID-19 today after one of her staff members tested positive this week. Harris received a PCR test on Wednesday and she tested negative. Do we know more at this time?
We don't. We're still waiting to hear about that test result that we should be getting back sometime today. She was exposed to, we're told, a staffer she was in close proximity with on Tuesday. And so out of precaution, they've been testing. They tested her on Wednesday, and then they tested her again on Friday. But, as this variant spreads through Washington, Washington has been pretty lucky over this pandemic in that the numbers here have been relatively low, especially in the last couple months. That's because there's so many government workers and so many people who work in places where they had to get vaccines and they had to take those precautions. Now, this variant is so contagious that it seems like a lot of those precautions, I don't know if people are letting down their guard or whatever, or workplaces haven't been as strict, but everybody is getting it. And we've seen a spike of cases here in D.C. And of course, the White House is not immune to that. And so now we're seeing lawmakers, and it's come as close as 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue with the vice president's staff getting COVID, and she's having to get tested again today.
And Christina, we're just now learning that the Biden administration will lift its travel restrictions on 8 southern African countries. Those were imposed last month over concerns about that Omicron variant. This news was first reported by Reuters. What do we know right now?
That's right. An assistant press secretary tweeted that just a little while ago. Let me bring it up. He said on December 31st, the president will lift the temporary travel restrictions on southern African countries. The decision was recommended to the CDC. The restrictions gave us time to understand Omicron and what we know. We know our existing vaccines work against the variant. The thing with these travel restrictions is they're very controversial because by the time the variant is strong enough or is present enough for governments to realize it, get the paperwork done, and lock down these countries, most of the time the variant is already in the country. And what it ended up doing in this case is the South African researchers who came forward and flagged this variant felt like they were being punished because they said, look, we disclosed this, we came forward, we warned you about it, and then the repercussions were you locked down our country and banned travel. That's not a real good motive for other countries to do the same and follow this and be transparent. So there's been a lot of pushback from the scientific community, and the evidence is, it just doesn't really help the spread of the virus that much because it's a globalized society. People are still flying, people are still traveling. In a lot of cases, the variant is already there before they go ahead and lock down the countries. So this decision has been, I think, a couple weeks coming, and it's going to be happening on December 31st.
And there's been a lot of pushback from African leaders on this, too. Christina, thanks for the Christmas breakdown from the White House.
Thank you.